Hey everyone, this is your English instructor from Sniper Defense Academy Meerut. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So as we all know that it's been a very long time since we have come up with any video related to English speaking skills. But finally here we are. So today in this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks that how to develop an attractive personality. First of all, for all the people who have subscribed to this channel, you must be aiming to crack any of the competitive exams like RIMC, RMS or All India Sanic examination, right? After you crack your written examination, you have to face an interview which is based on your personality check. The interviewer basically checks your personality, and if you are such a person, if you are one of those people who have to crack all these examinations, this video is a golden opportunity to build up your personality skills. So now the question arises that what's the need to develop our personality? So the thing is that whenever you talk to people, whenever you talk to any person, you have to take out your thoughts, your thought processing, your views, your opinions. And until you don't do that, you will don't get judged. The people you are talking to basically judge you on the basis of your communication skills. And when I'm talking about communication skills, मैं सिर्फ इस चीज़ की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ कि आपकी इंग्लिश कैसी है. योर कम्युनिकेशन इज बेस्ड अपॉन सो मेनी थिंग्स. बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स होते हैं दैट मेकअप योर पर्सनैलिटी, दैट मेकअप योर कम्युनिकेशन, लाइक your gestures, the way you make the eye contact, or the way your eyebrows are working, or your hand gestures, or maybe your body posture. So before further ado, let's start the video and let's get to know that what are the things that can make up your personality a better personality. Okay, so the first thing is our conversation ratio. Whenever we are conversing with the person, जब भी हम किसी से बात कर रहे होते हैं, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम हैविंग ए हाफ एन आवर कॉन्वर्जेशन, तो मुझे उस पूरे हाफ एन आवर बोलना तो नहीं होता. आई हैव टू लिसन टू द अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो. सो द थिंग इज दैट आवर कॉन्वर्जेशन रेशियो इज बेस्ड ऑन listening and speaking, and listening has the majority part of it and the minor part rests with the speaking. You have to listen in a conversation near about 75%. For example, आपकी आधे घंटे की conversation है, so उस conversation में 75% you have to listen to the other person जिससे आप बात कर रहे हैं. You have to welcome his or her thoughts, like yes, okay, nodding your head. You have to make such gestures कि आप उसकी conversation में interested हो, their likes and dislikes. You have to welcome their thoughts basically. And the second thing is speaking. Speaking has the rest of the part, that is 25% out of 100. 75% आपको सुनना है, listening, and the rest 25% is speaking. Speaking, you have to make sure जब आप बात कर रहे होते हैं, your tone should be very soft. It shouldn't look like आप बहुत ज़्यादा aggressive हो रहे हैं. You have to be very soft in a conversation. The next thing is better listening. So whenever we are in a conversation, you are talking to person, तो आपको ध्यान रखना होता है you are having a better conversation. For example, सामने वाला person आपके सामने अपने likes and dislikes आगे रख रहा है, अपने opinions आगे रख रहा है, अपने views आगे रख रहा है. So आपको you don't have to be dominant कि नहीं मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ तो तुम्हें भी ऐसा ही सोचना पड़ेगा. Better listening means welcoming the thoughts of the other person and also making sure जो आपके thoughts हैं, जो आपके views हैं, they are also reserved. Okay, you don't have to get manipulated by the other person. Also, you don't have to manipulate the other person. ना ही तो manipulate होना है, ना ही होने देना है. So that's the thing. The third point is be yourself. Being yourself means whenever you're talking to the other person, we have certain likes and dislikes. For example, let's take a very basic example. किसी को मैगी सॉस के साथ पसंद हो सकती है, किसी को नहीं पसंद हो सकती. So if you're talking to a person जिसके likes and dislikes आपसे different हैं, जिसके views आपसे different हैं, जिसकी knowledge आपसे थोड़ा सा differ करती है, so you have to make sure that you are being yourself, right? दूसरे के राइट्स, दूसरे के जो लाइक्स होते हैं, दूसरे के जो डिसलाइक्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग डोमिनेंट ओवर योर लाइक्स एंड योर डिसलाइक्स. द थर्ड थिंग इज स्टेइंग पॉजिटिव. स्टेइंग पॉजिटिव मीन्स व्हेनेवर यू आर टॉकिंग टू एनी पर्सन, आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, यू हैव नेगेटिव थॉट्स ऑल्सो एंड पॉजिटिव थॉट्स ऑल्सो. ये हमारा ह्यूमन ब्रेन है. वी हैव 100 थॉट, वी हैव 1000 and billion थॉट्स इन अ डे. हम कुछ पॉजिटिव सोचते हैं, कुछ नेगेटिव सोचते हैं. And if the person in front of you, the person you're talking to, is talking about any negative thing कि यार आज मेरा दिन अच्छा नहीं गया, I didn't have a good day, या फिर आज मुझे अच्छा फील नहीं हो. सो बी पॉजिटिव. बी पॉजिटिव मीन्स being in touch with your own feelings and letting the other person connect to you. Being positive, जो भी आप कुछ अगर नेगेटिव बात भी हो रही है, so you should have that confidence कि आप एक नेगेटिव कॉन्वर्जेशन को एक पॉजिटिव कॉन्वर्जेशन में टर्न आउट कर सको. The next thing is avoid aggressive behavior. Now this is very common among ourselves. Like we people who are aiming for such examinations, RIMC, RMS or All India Sainik examination, इस सब में we must be teenagers. और इसमें aggression is a very common thing. So while having a conversation, if you are in an interview, अगर आप किसी interview में हैं, तो आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि आपकी जो conversation है, that is not turning into an aggressive conversation. आपके जो gestures होते हैं, आपकी जो tone होती है, आपके जो hand movements होते हैं, और even आपके जो आपके eyebrows के जो movements होते हैं, that has to be very polite, very soft. You don't have to be aggressive over the other person. It should look like कि हाँ, you should be calm, you should be peaceful, right? Act of saying no. Now, if someone asks you कि आपकी क्या qualities हैं, जैसे कि if I'm talking about myself, मैंने काफ़ी celebrities के interviews देखे हैं, and I have noticed that whenever you ask the other person कि आपकी qualities क्या हैं, कि आप कौन सी चीज़ों में आप समझते हैं कि you are different from other people. So मैंने बहुत लोगों को सुना है saying कि I have the quality of saying no. Saying no is a very big thing. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है the other person is asking you to do something. For example, मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि आप प्लीज़ मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, क्या आप मेरी असाइनमेंट्स पूरी कर सकते हैं. इवन दो मेरा मन नहीं है और मुझे मना भी नहीं करना आता, तो मुझे हाँ बोलना ही पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम ऑन डाइट, मैं डाइट पर हूँ, एंड द अदर पर्सन इज ऑफरिंग मी बर्गर और मे बी समथिंग दैट आई डोंट लाइक टू ईट. तो उसे ना नहीं कर पाना इज़ अ वेरी I would say that degrades your personality. The people who learn, the people who know कि उनको ना बोलना आता है is a very big thing. So you should have this thing in yourself, and this makes up your personality a very attractive personality. या आपकी personality को develop करने में help करती है. The people who know कि उनको यहाँ पे मना करना है और वो मना करते हैं, these things attracts other people towards yourself. That yes, कि मेरे likes और dislikes अलग हैं. You can't manipulate me. You can't let your likes and dislikes dominate my likes and dislikes. So this is a very must thing, I would say, the act of saying no. Last thing is body posture. Body posture plays a very important role in our personality. For example, I'm talking to other person and he's standing or he is sitting by bending his or her shoulders bend करके. So that would seem कि सामने वाला person interested ही नहीं है मेरी बात सुनने में. और मे बी आई वुड से इफ़ यू आर इन ए ऑफिस, आप किसी ऑफिस में आप काम कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आप अपनी यू आर नॉट बीइंग एक्टिव दिखने के लिए व्हाट मतलब क्या होना चाहिए, आपकी बैक स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए, योर बॉडी पोस्चर लाइक योर शोल्डर शुड बी स्ट्रेट एंड योर नेक शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर शोल्डर्स, राइट? These things come into your body posture. So having a active body posture also plays a very important thing in building up your personality. So having a good body posture, for example, if you're standing, आप खड़े हुए हैं, your shoulders should be straight, you should be active, so that ये एक और चीज़ में आपको बेनिफिट करता है if you're talking to any other person और आपका body posture active है. So this seems कि आप interested हो सामने वाले की बातों में. अगर सामने वाला आपसे कुछ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहा है, उससे आपसे कुछ बात कर रहा है, and if you are having a very sad or very loose kind of body posture, this seems कि आप interested ही नहीं हो. Even though you are interested, but your body posture will show up like yes, you are not interested. So yes, I would say you should practice all these things in your home. And I want to repeat that thing that I said in the initial, that communication is not the only thing कि हाँ आपकी English कैसी है, आपकी fluency कैसी है. Yes, conversation skills also make up your communication or personality, but these all things which are discussed in these slides are also very important points to make or build up your personality. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.